Atlantic Ocean, right next to two lighthouses, or two lights, or whatever they're calling it. I think it's Two Lights State Park. We're just about to hear the foghorn go off. Fortunately, it is actually sunny after a full day of pretty hard rain yesterday. We're going to wait for the foghorn to go off. There's the foghorn building. Intense sound signal may sound without warning. Stay clear. There's the foghorn. There's one lighthouse. And there's another lighthouse up there. Reporting live from Maine, this is Daniel Schoonover signing off.